Our sponsor, Alpine Toyota, hit me up and they told me that they've got a truck recently in on trade that they think I might be interested in. Let's go check it out. Brought to you in part by Alpine Toyota. Hey Brady, heard you got a truck for me.
I sure got a truck for you, buddy, 100%.
And there it is. This is a 2010 Tacoma crew cab, short box. It's a TRD Sport, has a manual transmission. But before we get too carried away, I gotta know, what do you guys think this truck is worth? What do you think we actually paid for it? Throw your guess in the comment section down below, and we'll let you know exactly what we paid for this at the end of the video. The question is, what do you think?
I'm pretty excited. I think it's gonna be fun. Kind of sad to see the car go, but I mean, look at it. It's gonna be another Tacoma. Like, I'm excited.
Another Tacoma?
Another one. Okay, sorry. But look at it.
Technically, at this point in the video, I haven't talked about how we're gonna sell the Corolla. But yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna lighten our fleet a little bit, get rid of the Corolla, make room for this thing, and open up a bit more funds to build this thing.
That's my number one rule. Only 4 cars. 4 vehicles.
We can only have 4. And we just got rid of 2, but yeah, between the 2 of us, 2 each.
2 each.
All right, she's home. And the first plan of attack, let's wash this thing. Now, while I clean up the interior here, let me explain some of the things that are wrong with this Tacoma interior. It's a little rough. This guy, the latch is broken. It is extremely filthy. This truck was used as a hunting truck, and I don't think it was cleaned very often, if ever, which is why there's like an inch of grime on everything. Also, the windshield's cracked. The major thing that's wrong with it is the front diff. Apparently it's blown up or isn't working properly or something. I can't tell yet. Driving down the road, you'd never know. But apparently, yeah, the front end is just not happy in this thing, which is why I think it ultimately ended up getting traded in. A couple other small things. Rear pinion seal is gone. I guess the power steering rack might be on its way out. The tie rods, they've got a little bit of play in them. Ugh. The e-brake also doesn't work. It's got pretty high miles. This is an American truck, so it is in miles. Looks like 183,000, so like I think 294,000 kilometers. So I mean, I say pretty high. For a Toyota, we know that's nothing, but pretty crazy. It does have the odd bit of body damage as well on this thing. Some dents here and there. Not too rusty though, like at all. The rockers are a little bit smashed in. The box is missing one of the plastic rail pieces. Well, it's not missing, it came with the truck, it just wasn't attached anymore because it's broken. Front bumper's a little bit broken. It's also missing a piece of the flare on that front corner. One of the taillights is broken. But yeah, pretty much everything wrong with it, except for the front end, is primarily cosmetic, which doesn't matter that much to me. And to be honest, the mechanical stuff doesn't matter that much to me either. Alright, this is kind of driving me insane. So the first mod is the bungee cord mod. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty sweet. Most Tacomas have bungee cords So take the bungee cord, wrap it over top like so, and perfect. Center console. Bungee cord mod complete. You know what? This thing rides so nice. It's smooth, drives straight, it's so comfortable. Almost makes me feel bad about what I want to do to it. Almost. So, what exactly is the plan for this thing? You might be asking, and it's a pretty good one. I essentially want to do what I did with my Toyota pickup, but in a much more modern, bigger, and better scale. I'm thinking along the lines of like solid axle swap, of course, but this time instead of leaf springs, maybe a 3-link with coilovers and 1-ton axles. And of course, can't just put 1-tons in and throw some 37s on it. So the plan is 40s. I think that'll be the ticket. Solid axle swap, 40s, and we'll go from there. Earlier in this video, I got you guys to comment below what you think I paid for this 2010. Well, I paid $4,000 Canadian for it, or 2,900 and something USD. I think that's an absolute steal for this truck. If you guys want to help support this build, head over to Dirt.Garage.ca. We got new hoodies. They got Toyota on the sleeve, the kind of retro looking Dirt Garage logo. We also got hats. Head over to Dirt.Garage.ca, pick up some swag, and let's get this thing rolling. Anyways guys, that about wraps up this week's episode of Dirt Garage, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys are as stoked on the Tacoma as I am. I think it's going to be a great project. Anyways, if you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that thumbs up button, and hey, consider subscribing. I upload weekly Toyota building, wheeling, and off-roading content. Anyways, I'll catch you next week. Peace.
Let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that